Fairly short video. Someone asked me, why is one of the very large guns, the 50 BMG rifle, a specific one, called the Light 50 in many cases? Its predecessor weighed anywhere from 84 pounds to 120 pounds if you used the tripod. And it had a 45-inch barrel, and it was 5 foot 5 inches long, belt fed, and it was called the M2 Heavy Browning Machine Gun, the actual BMG. And again, it needed a tripod, and because it required all this weight and mass and materials and volume and bulk, it usually required a two-man crew because it's belt fed. I mean, you could do it with one, but it was usually two. Versus a 30-inch barrel on a 31-pound, 4 foot 9 inch long magazine fed M82 A1 or the M107 Barrett anti-material rifle with the same effective firing range and round used at 24 to 37% of the weight of the M2, and requiring, really, you could do it with half the workers, or at least fewer. People buy these things and actually fire them. And that was a semi-auto. You could also get single-shot ones. They were also mechanically much simpler. There's a bunch of benefits to it. It's like the idea of using a really force-shortened gun that only has a 300-yard range or whatever the deal is for an AR-15 and its predecessors. It's because you're at the point where if you're using iron sights at the time, which you would end up needing to be able to fire from, even if you had optics, you want to be able to fire from iron sights, your effective range is limited just by what you can hit. The gun can shoot farther than you can aim, so they limited it down, lowered the weight, carry more ammo. It's just a better method. Besides that, it's a much more elegant gun. But anyway, it is lighter. It literally is. I didn't even look this up, but it's like a quarter the weight, or, you know, if you consider all the parts you have to have with it, unless you just want to throw a full-on machine gun on top of a stone or a rock or a hunk of wood and hope that it doesn't walk everywhere when you're firing it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Good luck with that. But it was a cool question to look up. Now, of course, I could be totally wrong. It could be for another reason, but that's the one that's stated 3 places I looked up. I'll just leave the Wikipedia articles because they're about right.